In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Claude AI on macOS. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your download starts smoothly on your Mac. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. In the search bar, type Download Claude. You're using search here to quickly reach the official source without having to remember a specific URL. When the results load, take a second to scan them carefully. You want the official listing that references Claude by Anthropic. This helps you avoid third-party sites and ensures you're getting the legitimate app. Next, click the result that says Download Claude, Claude by Anthropic. This link takes you to the official download page. On that page, you'll see clear options for different platforms. The layout may feature separate sections for desktop and mobile, making it simple to find the version that fits your device. If you notice any sponsored results or similar names in your search, stick with the official Anthropic page to keep things safe and authentic. Once you're on the download page, choose the download type you want. Think of this as selecting the category that matches where you'll use Claude. If you plan to use it on your computer, you'll be looking under desktop options. If you're aiming to use it on a phone or tablet, there will be mobile options listed as well. This step is all about picking the correct platform so you get the right installer. If you're deciding between mobile or desktop, remember our focus is macOS. Desktop means laptop or desktop computers, which is exactly what a Mac falls under. If you're also curious about using Claude on a phone later, you can always return to this page and choose the mobile option that matches your device. But for now, stay with the desktop path. Now, locate the macOS option on the page. It should be clearly labeled. Click it to start the download. Your browser may ask for confirmation or where to save the file. Just choose your Downloads folder or accept the default. You'll see the download progress in your browser's download manager, usually at the top right in Safari or along the bottom or top bar in other browsers. Give it a moment to complete. The exact time depends on your connection. That's it. You searched for the official page, opened the Claude by Anthropic download, selected the appropriate type, confirmed you're on desktop for Mac, and clicked the macOS option to begin the download. You're ready for the next step whenever you are.